Hey there, and welcome to the Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. And before we start, we'd like to kindly ask you to give this video a like. And if we were able to deliver some value to you by the end, we would also ask that you subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to connect with you in the future. One last thing before we start, please remember that these videos and this one is not financial advice. We are not financial advisors, so before you invest any of your money, please do your own research. That being said, let's get into this video. Today in this video, we will learn about why you need to invest $1,000 in Landshare. Landshare is a platform that aims to bring together the benefits of DeFi and real estate investing into a single platform. With the BUSD property value and Landshare token staking, you may earn DeFi yield farming incentives, or you can participate in forthcoming real estate investment opportunities like the tokenized assets and crowd-funded house flipping, which will provide you direct exposure to assets on chain. All of Landshare's features are fully integrated into the Binance Smart Chain, allowing them to function in unison with the rest of the ecosystem. All of this is accessible on a single platform, whether you're seeking for DeFi returns or a direct real estate investment on the blockchain. Leading blockchain developer Jordan Frisk, Director of Marketing Travis Martin, and lead web developer Sumit Sharma with his web development team makes up Landshare's core team of developers and marketers. Team members of Landshare. As a cryptocurrency trader and market analyst, Travis has over 6 years of expertise. The chief asset manager of Landshare is Travis, who also serves as COO and director of marketing. Full-stack engineers and UI graphic designers make up the majority of Landshare's 10-person web development team, which is headed by Sumit Sharma. What are Landshare's tokenomics? The overall quantity of LAND, L-A-N-D, tokens is 10 million, with an initial circulating supply of 177,500 tokens. The token supply maximum is 10 million tokens. Property vault stakers have received a total of 59.8% of all available tokens in the rewards pool given out to them. The first liquidity is locked in for a period of 5 months. All seed round and pre-sale tokens are vested for a minimum of 5 months after their purchase. Team tokens are locked for 3 months, after which they will be unlocked at a rate of 10% each month for the next 10 months. An overview of Landshare token. The Landshare token, LST, is the platform's utility token. DeFi fees are charged using this as a mode of payment for different functionalities on the platform. It is also possible to stake the Landshare token for rewards in the Landshare token staking vault, which gives you access to services like Governance Protocol and the BUSD vault. As a platform utility token, the Landshare token does not represent any real estate assets or their value or ownership. The token's price is not impacted by the value of real estate, and holding the token does not represent an investment in any assets. Landshare token utility details. Staking. With the staking land tokens functionality, users may stake land tokens in order to earn land tokens as a return. Users may access the functionality via the Landshare's Apps Vaults area, where they can examine information such as the current APR. Users have the options of investing in land alone or in land BNB LP combo. Payment. The LAND token is used as a payment mechanism for features that are now available and those that will be available in the future on the platform. In other words, the Landshare token serves as the main medium of exchange for accessing the platform's goods and services. Platform fees. To compensate for platform functionalities, the Landshare token is employed as a payment method. Loan interest is accrued as a result of the asset token loan protocol and must be repaid in land. The auto-compounding function transforms rental BUSD to LAND in order to provide the investor with more asset tokens. There are no costs associated with this process. Landshare staking process. Investors may receive land incentives by staking their land tokens due to the token staking functionality. Staking land tokens costs investors only 1% and provides daily land reward dividends that may be withdrawn at any time by investors. The APR for staking land fluctuates according to the reward pool size, the amount of stakers, market circumstances, and the discretion of the team. Land staking on the app, the current APR, is shown based on the previous day's reward allocation. This guide shows the process of staking Landshare tokens. If you go to app.landshare.io, connect to the MetaMask and set to Binance Smart Chain, click Max or enter the quantity of land to be staked, click Deposit, confirm at MetaMask and accept at Ledger. Gas fee is about 0.0004 BNB or about 19 cents. How does asset tokenization work? In Landshare, the asset tokenization process consists of many processes which are summarized as follows. A company is founded only for the purpose of acquiring ownership of the object that will be tokenized. The firm transforms its shares into unique security tokens that are traded on the stock market. Landshare LLC makes the securities available to investors via a Regulation S offering. Investors must conduct KYC and AML checks, sign a purchase agreement, and acquire the tokens. Landshare is a company that administers real estate on behalf of investors. In the form of BUSD tokens, cash flows from the property are distributed to token holders who retain them. An additional advantage of the appreciation of the underlying asset is received by investors. The shares of investors may be sold to other whitelisted users, or the shares can be sold back to the holding company. Landshare price prediction for 2025, which helps why you need to invest $1,000 in Landshare today. The live Landshare price today is $3.11, with a 24-hour trading volume of $234,868. We update our land to USD price in real time. Landshare is up 3.56% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is 1,283rd place, with a live market cap of $4,862,383. It has a circulating supply of 1,562,247 land coins and a maximum supply of 10 million land coins. We have previously given much information on various new and well-developing cryptocurrencies in the globe. The digital coins or currencies, we can call it with any name, but the essential issue is that which coins will provide you a greater return in the next years is to still be had. Well, there are millions of traders across the globe that are enthusiastic to know more about the current coins that are expanding swiftly in the market and creating their place in everyone's wallets, but which currency is perfect for you that can provide you some fantastic return in the following years, you may ask. We cannot forecast this perfectly, and that this coin can make you money or that coin is not beneficial for you exactly as it will be. However, we would like to state simply that there is a danger everywhere in the world. It is possible that these coins will not provide you with enough returns in the future, aligning with your desired profitability. A new cryptocurrency known as Landshare, LAND, has appeared on the market, which is what we are covering in today's video. Many traders have shifted their attention to this coin ever since it first entered the market because its price has soared to a dizzying height and continues to rise at a quick pace, attracting the attention of investors. Landshare price prediction. As a result, many more traders have shown interest in purchasing the cryptocurrency since it first came to light. After only a few days of trade, it's now valued at $5.27 with $110,097 in 24-hour trading volume. The price of the cryptocurrency has risen by a whopping 3.56% in the previous 24 hours. As a result, with a total quantity of 4 million, the coin circulation supply is 1.562 million land coins and its total supply is 4 million. If you're considering buying the currency, now could be a good moment to do so. So what is Land's price prediction for 2025? Now let us move forward to the end of the year, and we will have previously stated that there are numerous opportunities and reasons for the Landshare coin to continue to rise in value, primarily because it is tied to a land company, and we are aware that land will be available at a premium price in the near future. Consequently, by the end of the year 2025, the coin might be worth $19.78. That being said, there's a lot of information we have provided for you today, and we want you to be able to churn on it, go and do your own research, but seriously consider this coin. Okay, guys, so that's it for today. I hope you understand why you need to invest $1,000 in Landshare today. If you enjoyed this video, then please give us a big like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. If you feel like this video has given you some value, then please let us know in the comments below. Please share the video. We want to know from you, though, where we can improve, what coins you want us to cover, and so we can continue to bring you value each day when you look to the market for the next big opportunity in the crypto world. We care about this community that we're growing, and we want you to be a part of it. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.